2019 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, fog lights, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.